Your shipment is on the move, but accidents can happen at any time, and loss, damage, or delayed cargo can cost far more than the freight itself. So make sure you contact your freight forwarder Forceget to cover yourself with the correct insurance. A single uninsured loss can run into hundreds of thousands of dollars, especially for high-value shipments, because the carrier liability limits are often minimal and won't cover full product value or lost earnings. Forceget provides full coverage for ocean, air, express, and intermodal shipments with fast claims, support, and clear, transparent policies built into your logistics flow. From pickup to delivery, your cargo is safeguarded, so you aren't stuck covering replacement cost, customer refunds, or repair bills when something goes wrong.
Contact us today and get $500 off your shipment.